Ford Explorer repairs in my area. Ford Motor Company is an American multinational automobile manufacturer headquartered in Dearborn, Michigan, United States. It was founded by Henry Ford and incorporated on June 16, 1903. The company sells automobiles and commercial vehicles under the Ford brand, and luxury cars under its Lincoln Luxury brand. The company is listed on the New York Stock Exchange and is controlled by the Ford family. They have minority ownership but the majority of the voting power. The 2018 Ford Explorer is a mid-size SUV known for its spacious interior, comfortable ride, and a range of available features. Here are some of the notable features you might find in a 2018 Ford Explorer. Routine service for a Ford Explorer involves regular maintenance tasks to ensure the vehicle's optimal performance, safety, and longevity. Here are some general service tasks that are typically part of routine maintenance for a Ford Explorer. Oil change. Regular oil changes are essential to keep the engine lubricated and running smoothly. Follow the recommended oil change intervals using the specified oil type. Fluid checks and top-offs. Regularly check and top off essential fluids such as coolant, brake fluid, power steering fluid, transmission fluid, and windshield washer fluid. Brake inspection. Regular inspections of the brake system, including brake pads, rotors, and brake fluid levels, are important for safety. Tire rotation and alignment. Rotate tires to ensure even wear and consider alignment checks for optimal handling. Air filter replacement. Replace the engine air filter as recommended to maintain proper air intake. Cabin air filter replacement. Replace the cabin air filter to ensure clean air inside the vehicle. Spark plug replacement. Replace spark plugs according to the manufacturer's recommendations for improved engine performance. Battery check. Regularly check the battery condition and clean corrosion from terminals if necessary. Transmission service. Follow recommended transmission service intervals, which may include fluid changes. Suspension and steering inspection. Regularly inspect the suspension and steering components for wear or damage. Timing belt replacement. If your Ford Explorer is equipped with a timing belt, follow the manufacturer's recommendations for replacement intervals. Cooling system inspection. Regularly inspect the cooling system, including the radiator and hoses, to prevent overheating issues. Diagnostic checks. Perform diagnostic checks using specialized equipment to identify and address any potential issues. It's important to refer to the specific service schedule outlined in your Ford Explorer's owner's manual. The manual will provide detailed information on service intervals, recommended fluids, and other maintenance tasks. Additionally, consider having your vehicle serviced at a Ford dealership or an authorized service center to ensure that it receives proper care from trained technicians using genuine Ford parts.